You wake up in the morning. And something feels different than it used to. Your body doesn't respond the same way anymore. Getting out of bed feels slower, heavier, harder. Energy that once felt natural, now feels like something you have to force. And you tell yourself, this is just age. But what if that is not the full truth? What if the real problem is not your age, but something happening silently inside your body? Something most men never even think about. Because after 50, your body starts changing in ways you cannot see immediately. It doesn't happen overnight. There is no alarm. No pain in the beginning. No warning sign that screams for attention. Instead, it happens slowly. Quietly. Day by day. Your muscles begin to shrink just a little. Your strength starts fading without you noticing. Your energy level drops, not suddenly, but gradually. And the most dangerous part? You start accepting it as normal. You stop expecting to feel strong. You stop expecting to feel energetic. And that is where the real problem begins. Because inside your body, there is a powerful hormone that controls so much of how you feel. Your energy. Your strength. Your motivation. Even your confidence. That hormone is testosterone. And after 50, it naturally starts to decline. But here is something most people don't understand. It is not just age that causes the drop. It is inactivity. It is lack of movement. It is the absence of the right physical signals your body needs to stay strong. Think about it like this. Your body is always listening. Every movement you do. Every time you push your muscles. Every time you challenge your body. It receives a message. A message that says, we still need strength. We still need energy. We still need power. But when that message stops, your body slowly begins to shut those systems down. Muscles that are not used start to weaken. Strength that is not demanded starts to disappear. And testosterone levels start to fall even faster. Now here is the part that shocks most people. This is not irreversible. Your body does not turn off completely after 50. It becomes responsive again the moment you start giving it the right signals. But the problem is, most men don't know what those signals are anymore. They think they need extreme gym workouts. They think they need expensive supplements. They think they need complicated routines that feel impossible to follow. So they do nothing. And doing nothing is the fastest way to lose strength. Because your body adapts to your lifestyle. If your lifestyle is low movement, your body becomes low energy. If your lifestyle is weak resistance, your body becomes weak. If your lifestyle has no challenge, your hormones respond accordingly. And slowly, without you realizing it, you enter a cycle. Less energy, less movement, even less energy. Less strength, less confidence, even less activity. And that cycle becomes your new normal. But here is where this story takes a turn. Because there is something your body still responds to. Even after 50. Even after 60. Even if you feel completely out of shape right now. Your body still responds to one thing. Proper physical stimulation. Not random exercise. Not exhausting workouts. But specific movements that activate large muscle groups. Increase blood flow. And send strong hormonal signals through your system. And when those signals return, something surprising happens inside your body. It starts to wake up again. Energy starts improving. Strength starts returning. And your system begins to reactivate natural testosterone production. But here is the danger. Most people never reach this stage. Because they don't know which exercises actually trigger this response. They waste time on the wrong routines. Or they quit too early because they think nothing is working. But today, you are going to learn something different. Not random fitness advice. Not complicated gym science. But a simple set of 5 exercises that are designed specifically for men over 50. To help restart your body's natural strength system. And one of these exercises is so powerful that even young men underestimate it. But for older men, it can completely change how the body feels. So before we move forward, understand this clearly. You are not too old. You are not too late. Your body is not finished. It is simply waiting for the right signal to start working again. And in the next part, you will discover exactly what those signals are. Step by step. Now that you understand what is happening inside your body, let's talk about the solution. Because reversing this process is not about luck. It's about movement with purpose. Not random exercise. Not exhausting yourself. But specific exercises that tell your body, we need strength again. And when your body hears that message, it responds. Fire exercise number 5, fast walking, the foundation reset. Let's start with something simple, but extremely powerful. Fast walking. Not slow strolling. Not casual movement. But walking with intention. When you walk faster, your heart rate rises. Your blood circulation improves. Your muscles start waking up. And your body begins to shift out of rest mode. Most men underestimate this. But after 50, fast walking becomes a hormonal activator, not just exercise. Just 20 to 30 minutes daily can start improving energy levels within days. But this is only the beginning. Flexed biceps exercise number 4, push UPS, upper body reactivation. Now we move to strength. Push-ups. One of the simplest, but most powerful bodyweight exercises. When you perform a push-up, you activate multiple muscle groups at the same time. Chest, shoulders, arms, core. And your body receives a very clear message. We are still strong. Even if you can only do a few reps. That is enough to start. Because the goal is not perfection. The goal is activation. Over time, your strength begins to return naturally. Leg exercise number 3, squats, hormone trigger movement. Now we reach something very important. Squats. This is where real hormonal change begins. Because your legs contain some of the largest muscles in your body. And when large muscles work, your body responds strongly. Squats trigger muscle activation, blood flow increase, hormonal response, including testosterone-related activity. Start slowly. Use a chair if needed. But never skip this movement. Because this is where rebuilding truly begins. High voltage exercise number 2, resistance training, strength signal switch. Now we enter the game changer phase. Resistance training. This can be light dumbbells, resistance bands, even controlled bodyweight movements. You don't need heavy gym lifting. You just need resistance. Because resistance tells your body one thing. We still need muscle. And your body responds by maintaining and rebuilding strength. Even 2 to 3 sessions per week can significantly change how your body feels over time. Energy improves. Strength returns. And confidence slowly rebuilds. Rocket exercise number 1, HIIT, hormone activation trigger. Now we reach the most powerful exercise. High-intensity interval training. HIIT. Short bursts of effort, followed by short rest. For example, 20 seconds fast movement, 40 seconds rest. Repeat several times. This creates a powerful internal stress signal, but in a controlled way. And your body responds by adapting. That adaptation includes increased energy output, improved endurance, strong hormonal response. This is one of the most effective ways to wake your system up again. But it must be done safely and gradually. Brain final message, powerful ending. Now listen carefully. You don't need to do everything perfectly. You don't need to become an athlete overnight. You don't need extreme workouts. Because your body is not asking for punishment. It is asking for activation. And once you give it that activation, it remembers how to function again. Energy returns. Strength returns. And slowly, you begin to feel like yourself again.